This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the arm away from the screen until it locks. Rotate the blade 90 degrees and slide it from the pin on the arm. Slide the new blade over the pin on the arm and rotate it 90 degrees. Gently lower the blade down to the screen. Pull the arm away from the screen, then press the blade away from the arm. Align the pivot pin on the blade with the slot in the arm, then press the blade into place. Gently lower the blade down to the screen.